Keisha Charmaine, and I'm popping in really quickly to show you the results of my pipe cleaner curls. So first of all, shout outs to Lock Crush at Lock Crush on Instagram and on YouTube, I believe, as well. She makes these custom bonnets and I love mine. People say, Keisha, you can't get a bonnet to fit your locks. And I'm just proving them wrong on a daily. Okay, alright. Oh, I just love it. And you know what? Whenever I put in any kind of rollers and I deal with any sort of discomfort, I just take them out when it's time and I look at my curls and then I say, you know what? That's why you do this to yourself. I absolutely love the results. Curls are my thing. Like, curls are my thing. If you want any tips on achieving lock curls or maintaining lock curls, making your lock curls last long, check out my playlist. I have a whole playlist dedicated to lock curls, so you'll be able to find which video is appropriate for your question. And yeah, that's it. I'll put that in the cards above, so make sure you check up here and down in the description box and in the comments. Okay, thanks for watching. Love, light, and locks.